Morning. I'm
Thank you.
somewhat new to growing dahlias. Do I have to wait for a frost before digging up the tubers?
You don't necessarily have to. I mean, a frost is going to turn them to mush, like for sure. So, I mean, once we're getting close, and you certainly can. I mean, one little frost on the foliage is not going to kill your dahlia bulbs down below. Okay, so that could be kind of your.
It's kind of a benchmark.
Yeah, it's kind of the benchmark of let you know when to do it. So, good question though. Yeah, I mean, kind of you can let those kind of slough down. They're going to look rough. Cut them back above the dirt a little bit. Keep a little stem up, okay, so you can kind of grab onto something. And then dig really well kind of around that crown of plant and try to get as much of the root as you can before you want to bring them in for the winter. Put them in a paper bag, put them in the basement. Just keep them dormant, okay, cold, chilly closet.
Those tubers would have really spread over the growing season. So, if you're in a spot where that you can, they're already going dormant.
Yeah.
They're, even though they may still have, leaves on them, there won't be much. So, Austin's right. You can do it now, or you can wait a little bit. But like a lot of things, you don't want them to get to that mushy stage. They're a lot easier to handle when they're just dry and naturally dormant.
Mm-hmm.